difference.
Hey, Maximus Arana, and in today's video I'm going to tell you some cool stuff you can do while you're quarantined. I'll split it up into two groups, productive and lazy. But both of these groups are fun, that's all that matters. Let's start with the productive ones, eh? Number one on the productive list is to build your social media accounts. You have ample of time at the moment. You can either seize the opportunity or regret it later. You can learn how to film content, edit photos, edit videos. I've made 2 tutorials on that and they're linked down in the description. My Instagram is @Maximus_Arana and all my social media accounts are linked down below. You can take my Instagram as a reference to build your Instagram account's feed and following as a good kickstart and a good inspiration. But always remember to post content that you love every single day on all social media platforms and be consistent and you will blow up eventually. Just trust the process. Number one on the lazy list is my personal favorite, and that is undoubtedly binge watching. Grab some popcorn and get on the couch because it is time to Netflix and chill. It is unproductive, but it's fun and it's a good way to blow our steam. You can't just be working all day. You'll go insane. In order to save your sanity, watch some TV series. In moderation, of course. The topic of discussion for today's video is, what's your favorite TV series or movie? Let me know down in the comment section. Number 2 on the productive list is to learn how to cook. Now, I'm not just saying learn only the basic recipes, learn how to cook some cool stuff too. You know, you have all the time in the world right now. And also, cooking can be super productive at the same time and super fun at the same time too. Also forgot to mention, delicious. Number 2 on the lazy list is gaming. It can be productive if you are a competitive gamer or you stream on Twitch and YouTube. But if you are a normal dude, it is a good way to kill time and have fun. But if you play competitively, it can be fun, productive, super cool and lucrative at the same time too, because at this moment you'll get a lot of viewers due to the current situation. It can be productive or lazy depending on the person you are. Number 3 on the productive list is to write a book. Now, this sounds super boring and even I don't like to write books too, but this is for the people who want to be the next J.K. Rowling or Julie Plec. The thing is, you have all the time in the world now. You have so much time to write a story, make plots, create characters, and who knows, in the coming years, there will be a movie based on your book. Anything can happen. You just need to put in the work. Number 3 on the lazy list is to binge watch my YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and stalk me on Instagram. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you liked what you saw, smash the like button, subscribe, and also turn the notifications bell on so that you do not miss out on any video of mine. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I mean tomorrow's video. Ciao!